Second type of AI is artificial general intelligence, in which will come the third stage of AI, theory of mind AI, sometimes called strong AI or human level AI. AGI does not currently exist, but research is ongoing on its possibilities. Even though it is currently out of reality, but all major companies are working toward it. Even recently news came in that the ChatGPT organization OpenAI has achieved ANI secretly. That is why OpenAI has fired its CEO, but no clarification came on that later. So it is still considered out of reality till now. This type of AI will be able to emulate the human mind and will have the decision making capabilities equal to that of a human. It would be capable of creativity and imagination on par with humans and could take on a far wider range of tasks than narrow AI. Thank you so much for watching the video till here. That means you gain value from this video. Please type awesome explanation in the comment section to let me know that you have watched video till end.